know, even the birds and animals have their own way of talking and communicating with each other. You don't believe me? Okay then, let's wait and watch. Children, let's learn the sounds of different animals. Are you all excited? Okay, let's start. And the dog barks. What does the dog say? The cat makes the sound meow, meow. What does the cat say? And the lion roars. What does the lion say? The elephant makes the trumpet sound. What does the elephant say? The cow says moo moo. The cow makes the moo moo sound. What does the cow say? The horse makes the sound neigh neigh. What does the horse say? The pig makes the oink sound. Pig makes the oink oink sound. What does the pig say? The sheep makes the sound ba ba. What does the sheep say? The monkey makes the sound whoop whoop. What does the monkey say? The duck says quack quack. What does the duck say? The hen makes the cluck cluck sound. What does the hen say?